Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the Instagram story trend on the Instagram. So if you want to create or start your trend on the Instagram story, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and log into your account. Once you will do it, on the left top you will see your story option, so you have to click on it and go to the camera. After that you can upload a picture from your gallery, or you can simply click a new picture. Once you will do it, on the top you will see a sticker, second option from here, so you have to click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see different options. So now on the third option you will see add your options, so simply click on it, and here you have to write something like you want to make a trend. Join if you want. Okay, now click on the done. So share it with your friend through story and people will join it, and this will be your trend. So this is the way you can do Instagram trend. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.